Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to use Zelle with Chime. If you've got a Chime account and want to send money quickly and securely using Zelle, you're in the right place. Zelle is that awesome app that lets you transfer funds instantly to friends and family, and the good news is it integrates smoothly with Chime, a popular mobile banking service. First things first, make sure you have both the Zelle and Chime apps downloaded on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for them, and install if you haven't already. Once that's done, open your Chime app and log in to your account. Now, to link Zelle, go to the Payments or Transfer section in Chime. It might be under Move Money, and look for an option to add external services or specifically Zelle. Next, you'll need to enroll in Zelle. If you don't see it directly in Chime, download the Zelle app separately and follow the prompts to connect your Chime debit card. During setup, Zelle will ask for your bank's details, so select Chime as your financial institution. You'll have to verify your identity, usually with a code sent via text or email, so keep an eye on your phone. Once linked, sending money is a breeze. In the Zelle app, enter the recipient's email or phone number, add the amount, and confirm the transaction. Funds should hit their account almost immediately, as long as they're also enrolled in Zelle. Remember, transactions are typically free, but always double-check for any limits on your Chime account. A quick tip: keep your accounts secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. If you run into issues, like a failed link, contact Chime or Zelle support. They're usually super helpful. There you have it, you've now mastered using Zelle with Chime. It's a game changer for splitting bills or sending gifts. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.